The SOWIT app is every farmer's best tool. It provides farmers with precise agricultural data using AI, drone, satellite, and smartphone imaging technology. Other physical tools like soil sensors and weather stations are also provided to farmers. The app consists of 5 solutions: SoWater, Fertisat, SoDry, SoWield, and Monitor Plus. These solutions assist farmers in reaching the potential of their lands by lowering costs, assessing risk, and providing real-time data that allows farmers to react rapidly to potential damage. SOWIT's algorithm analyzes the farmer's land and the provided crop details. Farmers can access the data and apply the given recommendations for each solution. SoWater enables farmers to optimize crop irrigation and avoid overwatering, while Fertisat uses satellite imagery to ensure the farmer can homogenize his plots through precise fertilization operations. SOWIT's SoDry solution helps predict the best time for harvesting and dry matter distribution, whereas SoWield allows farmers to anticipate the estimated yields before harvesting. During the growth stages, weekly crop reports, including disease and weather alerts, are available through the app's Monitor Plus feature.
قبل ما نتعرفوا على شركة سويت كانوا عندنا بعض المشاكل بحال في السقي، بحال الأمراض، بحال شكل الفيماجين، بحال شكل لاموش بلونش. وملي تعرفنا عليهم بقاو ياخذوا داكشي ديال الصور عبر الأقمار الصناعية وكيتبعوا معنا، وداكشي اللي تنستاشروا معاهم وداكشي اللي قالوا لنا كنخدموا به، ودابا راه غادا ان شاء الله الضيعه في تحسن.
By making SOWIT's services easily accessible, farmers have been able to take advantage of its agricultural data to improve their irrigation systems and prevent waste, damage, and losses caused by weather or phytosanitary risks. SOWIT is also focused on investing in women, who represent 54% of SOWIT's young app users, by recruiting them as agronomists and shaping them as the next generation of farmers. Collectively, SOWIT has worked with over 70 agricultural organizations in 11 African countries, analyzed 80,000 hectares, and increased yields by 12%. SOWIT is constantly refining its services and expanding on-ground data collection to better serve African farmers, raising the potential of African agriculture through a seamless solution.